Scratch is a free block-based visual programming language. By using this platform, you can make games, animation or stories also. In this video, we will learn how to move sprite. When you open the Scratch, there will be a sprite. You can go with this or you can select another one from choose a sprite icon. Let's choose another one. I will select Giga Walking. You can select any one which you like it. Now let's delete this one. Now Giga is standing in a random position. Before moving the sprite, that is Giga, let's understand about motion with the help of graph so that we can move the sprite easily. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Suppose my sprite is standing here. If I want my sprite to move forward, I have to put positive numbers on x column. And for moving backward, I have to put negative numbers on x column. Likewise, for going upward, I have to put positive numbers on y column and negative numbers on y column for going down. Now let's get back to the Scratch and we'll start coding. Now go to events, select when flag, green flag clicked. Go to motion, select go to X, Y. Now put 0 here. Now let's check if it's working or not. Click on the green flag. Great, it's working. Now we will add motion. Go to events. Select when space key pressed. Duplicate it for 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now we will put another key here. Right arrow, left arrow, up arrow and down arrow. Now go to the motion, select, go to X, Y. Duplicate it, put it here. Now put 5 here and negative 5 here. Now let's press the left arrow key and see if it's working or not. It's moving. Now press right arrow key. Great. Now for going upward and downward, we will select change Y by. Duplicate it. Put 5 here and negative 5 here. Let's see upward and downward. Great. Now wait. Go to looks. Select next costume. Duplicate it for 3 times. And put it here. Now let's see the magic. Right arrow, left arrow, up arrow and down arrow. Fantastic. Now we will add backdrop in this. Go to the choose a backdrop icon. Select your favorite backdrop. I will select this. Now it's look like a real thing. Congratulations! Today you have learned how to move sprite. Tell me in the comment section, did you try coding in Scratch? And don't forget to watch next video to learn more about coding. Till then, happy coding!